Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair. So you want to part on your hair and start with 3 sections of a small amount of hair. I'm gonna start with the first section of hair, so I'm gonna grab it with my finger and pull it underneath the middle section, and then I'm gonna grab the left section and put it underneath the middle section. You want to grab the right section or the left section first, and then bring it underneath the middle section. So if you're starting off with the right section, bring it underneath the middle section, and then grab the left section and bring it underneath the middle section. And then repeat. Are there any other videos that you guys want to see me do? If so, leave it in the comments below. So now I'm going to start on the second section, on the second half of my hair. Repeat the same thing you did on the other side. So grab the hair, part it into 3 sections. It's better if you grab a smaller piece of hair because the plait starts off small and then it gets bigger as you gradually go. So yeah, I'm grabbing 3 sections, putting the right one underneath the middle one and then the left one underneath the middle one, and grabbing hair as I go along. I'm still learning how to braid hair, so don't mind the messiness. So yeah, what I do is, after I tie it, I spread out the plait, like pull it out bit by bit, and then it spreads out and then it just looks better to me. So yeah, now I'm done. Thank you for watching.